Number 1. This 1971 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $6,000 in Lebanon, Tennessee, is a classic luxury coupe with muscle under the hood. Powered by a 429 big block engine with just 66,000 miles, it runs and drives well after a fresh tune-up and new tires, though the brakes need attention. The body and interior are in good shape for its age, with some rust underneath. And while the paint could use some work, it would clean up nicely. The 1971 Thunderbird was part of Ford's fifth generation, combining performance and style to solidify its place as one of the brand's most iconic personal luxury cars. Number 2. This 1971 Ford Mustang convertible, priced at $7,800 in Loganville, Georgia, is a nearly completed restoration project with significant work already done. It boasts fresh paint, new floors, and trunk panels, with rust removal and bodywork alone costing $7,000. Under the hood, the V8 engine runs strong, supported by a new gas tank, fuel lines, battery, and fresh fluids. The interior is in excellent shape with new carpeting, though it still needs a convertible top and front seat rails for full completion. A fantastic opportunity to own a classic Mustang from the final refresh of the first generation, known for its longer, more aggressive styling and enhanced performance. Number 3. A rare find with vintage charm, this 1962 Studebaker Lar 4 is priced at $6,600 in Clayton, Delaware. A two-owner classic, it features a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission and has been recently refreshed with a new radiator, full system flush, rebuilt carburetor, and a tune-up, ensuring it's road-ready. The Lark stood out in the early 60s for its unique styling and compact efficiency, making it a distinctive classic today. The seller is open to trades for running vehicles of equal value, adding flexibility for enthusiasts looking to own this timeless Studebaker. Number 4. A rare gem for classic European sports car enthusiasts, this 1974 Opal Manta Rally is listed for $5,500 in Salado, Texas. This project car comes with an overhauled 1.9-liter GT engine, a new Weber carburetor, and a rebuilt distributor. The manual transmission has a fresh clutch and slave cylinder, though the driveshaft still needs installation. The brake system is completely new, and it rides on fresh Enkei wheels wrapped in Hankook tires. Inside, it features new carpet and a headliner, though the rear seat has sun damage. A fantastic opportunity to restore a beloved 70s sports coupe. Number 5. This well-preserved 1980 Cadillac Fleetwood, priced at $7,000 in Suffolk, Virginia, is a prime example of classic American luxury. Recently inspected and in full working order, it delivers the smooth and refined ride expected from Cadillac's flagship full-size sedan. The stately presence and plush interior make it a standout, offering a true vintage driving experience with all the comfort and elegance of its era. Whether for cruising or collecting, this Fleetwood is a well-maintained classic that's ready to be enjoyed on the open road. Number 6. This well-preserved 1961 Buick Electra, available for $6,500 in Westfield, New York, has been stored indoors and remains in solid shape. As a second-owner vehicle, it retains its original charm with a strong-running nail-head V8 engine and new tires on a sturdy frame. While the brakes need work, as the pedal goes to the floor, it's a great foundation for restoration. The 1961 Electra introduced a sleek, modern design that helped define Buick's luxury lineup for the decade, making this classic a worthwhile project for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 7. A stylish and powerful ride, this 1984 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is available for $7,500 in Chicago, Illinois. Powered by a rebuilt 350 engine with a mild cam and Flowmaster exhaust, it offers surprising power for its size, delivering both performance and the classic Cadillac smoothness. The interior, rated 7/10, is in good condition and reflects the quality craftsmanship Cadillac is known for. The seller is reluctantly parting with this iconic car to buy a semi-truck and is open to trade offers for a day cab with a wet kit. Known for combining a smooth ride with timeless American luxury, the 1984 Coupe DeVille is a standout in both design and performance. Number 8. This 1983 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed is priced at $7,500 in Cedartown, Georgia. It features a strong-running 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, ensuring reliable performance. The truck has heat and the body has been repainted, although it shows minor imperfections. The passenger side bed requires some attention, and while the AC components are present, they are not functional. This is a solid driver with plenty of room for improvement. It's being sold with a bill of sale and tag receipt only. The C10 series is renowned for its reliability and potential for customization, making it an excellent choice for those looking to restore or upgrade a classic pickup. Number 9. This 1971 Pontiac Bonneville is priced at $7,000 in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Retaining its original 4 for 55 V8 and turbo 400 transmission, it has been upgraded with a 4-barrel carburetor, aftermarket HEI, long tube headers, and a 2.5-inch exhaust. The car runs well, but would benefit from new front rotors and calipers. It shows some surface rust from years of storage, with more significant rust in the trunk due to a leaking rear window. The car rides on Craigar wheels with new tires. The 1971 Bonneville was known for its comfort and power, making it an ideal project for Pontiac enthusiasts looking to restore a classic cruiser. Number 10. This 1973 Chevrolet Malibu is priced at $7,200 in Tampa, Florida. A well-maintained survivor, it features a 350 small block V8 and has just 91,000 miles. The car drives smoothly with functioning brakes, transmission, and accessories like rear defrost and vents. It has a small dent on the front fender and could use a paint refresh, but the floors, trunk, and doors remain solid. It will be sold with its original stock wheels and hubcaps. The 1973 Malibu marked a shift in Chevrolet's mid-size lineup, known for its improved ride quality and durability, making it a great choice for classic car enthusiasts. Number 11. For $7,600 in Sioux City, Iowa, this 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe is a running lowrider project with a blue exterior and red interior. It features custom hand-laid pinstripes, 100-spoke chrome 13-inch wheels, an aftermarket stereo with a Big 3 upgrade, and an auxiliary battery. The transmission was rebuilt last spring, but now has a leak. The frame is rhino-lined with no rot. It includes a nearly complete blue interior set from a '79 Monte Carlo. Needs exhaust work, shocks, a new tire, and has a sticky accelerator. Bring $7,600 and drive it home. The 1980 Monte Carlo kept its personal luxury coupe styling with a downsized body introduced in 1978, offering V6 and V8 engine options. Number 12. Listed for $7,500 in Menomonee, Wisconsin, this 1977 Buick Regal Custom Coupe has had only 2 owners and boasts a white exterior with a red interior. While the details are limited, it is fully paid off and ready for its next owner. The 1977 Regal was part of Buick's second generation, known for its aerodynamic design, comfortable ride, and the option of a V8 engine for those seeking added performance. This classic Regal offers a great opportunity for Buick enthusiasts looking to own a piece of automotive history. Number 13. For $7,500 in Killeen, Texas, this 1986 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Brougham is a solid sedan with 132,000 original miles and a 5.0-liter 305 V8 engine. Previously owned by just one person, it comes with a clean title and is noted to run, shift, and stop well. The seller is willing to assist with transportation at the buyer's expense. The 1986 Caprice Classic Brougham was a top-tier luxury model, known for its plush interiors and smooth, comfortable ride. This classic sedan offers both style and reliability, making it a great choice for any enthusiast. Number 14. For $6,250 in Gastonia, North Carolina, this 1984 Ford F-150 XL regular cab is a well-maintained truck, daily driven over 40 miles on the highway without any issues. It features a 300 inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, cruising comfortably at 70 miles per hour. Recent upgrades include a new battery, starter motor, windshield wiper motor, emergency brake lines, new tires, clutch work, and brake repairs. The seat has been professionally reupholstered with period-correct material, and sound deadening has been added. The only known issue is a non-functional gas gauge. The 7th generation F-Series is known for its improved aerodynamics, durability, and Ford's signature reliability. Number 15. For $6,000 in Nanticoke, Pennsylvania, this 1969 Dodge D150 base regular cab is a great option for anyone looking for a summer daily driver. Powered by a slant 6 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives smoothly, offering a dependable ride. The truck has been well maintained and is ready to hit the road. The seller is also open to trading for a Hayabusa. Known for its rugged and simple design, the D150 from this era was a reliable workhorse, making it a popular choice among truck enthusiasts. Number 16. Listed for $8,000 in Wichita, Kansas, this 1963 Chevrolet Corvair is a 4-speed manual coupe powered by a 140 horsepower engine from a 1968 Corvair. It features dual Weber carburetors and several upgrades over the past few years, making it run, drive, and sound great. While it has some rust and a back window zipper needing repair, it remains a solid performer. The Corvair, GM's innovative air-cooled rear-engine compact car, was renowned for its unique handling and impressive performance, making this model an exciting classic to own. Number 17. Listed for $6,200 in Iowa Falls, Iowa, this 1972 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL is a rare classic that comes with both a hard and soft top in excellent condition. It runs and drives beautifully, with a clean and well-maintained interior, and has always been stored indoors to preserve its quality. The W116 Series 450 SEL was celebrated for its luxurious full-size sedan design, which introduced cutting-edge safety features and advanced suspension technology, making it a highly sought-after classic today. This Mercedes offers a timeless driving experience, combining comfort, style, and performance in one exceptional package. Number 18. Listed for $3,500 in Warrensburg, Missouri, This 1980 Buick Regal Somerset is powered by a 355 V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It comes equipped with a factory sunroof and power options, along with recent updates including a new exhaust, windshield, headlights, front shocks, and rear springs. The seller has lost interest in the project, but offers many extra parts with the car. Open to trades, this Regal is a great find. The 1980 Regal was a well-regarded personal luxury car, known for its smooth ride and optional turbocharged V6. Number 19. Priced at $6,500 in Cleveland, Texas, this 1978 Chevrolet K5 Blazer boasts an 80s front clip and a 350 small block engine bored to a 355 with 11.51 compression, requiring 93 octane fuel and an octane booster. It features a turbo 350 transmission, 4x4 with lockable hubs, and a Phytec throttle body injection system. Other upgrades include long tube headers, new 35-inch tires, and new lighting. The transfer case shifter needs replacement, and there's a slow leak in the power steering pump. Price is negotiable. The K5 Blazer was a rugged off-road SUV, competing with the Ford Bronco and Jeep Cherokee. Number 20. Listed for $2,000 in Edina, Missouri, this 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 work truck features a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. It runs and drives smoothly, equipped with brand new Milestar all-terrain tires mounted on rally wheels. While there's some rust, the truck remains solid and dependable for work. The fourth-generation CK series, known for its modern styling and enhanced ride quality, made this model one of Chevy's most iconic and beloved pickups, perfect for both utility and nostalgia.